and this is
the Gelatin Chef Ian.
Gelatin Chef Ian.
I make gelatin. Gummies!
And today we're making
Gummies!
Yes, gummies! Delicious, so easy, and they can be done very quick. I hit you, didn't I?
Yeah.
You only need 2 ingredients. Your jello and
Water.
yeah, that's it. So now the kitchen rules. The kitchen rules are: make sure you wash your hands, you're working your hands clean, you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision, because you can burn yourself, and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is
Ready!
ready.
When, R-E-D. Oh wait. What rhymes with red? Pad.
Rocket.
R-E-D-P-E-D. Red pad.
Okay, so let's try that again. The most important rule of the kitchen is
Simple first. Bam! So now, let's get cooking.
so these are the ingredients.
We're gonna need our molds.
We're using 3 different molds with different shapes. We're gonna need syringes. We're using the ones from, well, medicine. and-
When we get sick.
Yeah.
Hey, let's do them for a good reason.
You're gonna need your tablespoon. You're gonna need our flavors of gelatin. We got blueberries. Great. How many milligrams?
120 grams.
Yeah, 120 grams. And you're gonna need water.
3 bowls and 3 whisks.
Because we're doing 3 different flavors and colors.
Oil.
Yeah, and oil.
And
And one of those. And paper towel. Right?
paper towels.
So let's get to it. So now you're gonna need your jello.
We're going to put our water.
Yep. It has to be completely full, 4 tablespoons. 1,
2, 3,
and 4. Okay, so
now make sure you cut it at the edge.
and you have to mix while you pour, because then you're gonna get clumps and you don't want
and you
that.
don't want the I'm pouring it.
Oh, you dumped it out. 2.
Guys, make sure you pour it slowly because then you guys are going to make a boo-boo like me. So now I have to put it back in.
Oh, Ian. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Not gonna need that or that anymore. Now let me start mixing. You're going too fast, Ian.
Ooh, jello.
It smells like blueberry Jolly Rancher.
No, blue raspberry.
Okay, so now we're gonna let it sit, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And you finish mixing super fast. Now we're gonna let them sit
Sit
for
for
5
5
minutes,
and then we're going to put them in the microwave for 1 minute.
until it gets
Well, melty, like liquid. So we can put them in our molds.
But there's a step before that.
Yeah, put that in there.
So this is our next step.
Before you put your gummy mix. So we're just gonna get a little bit oil and we're gonna go boom, 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 boom.
You forgot to pat off the extra. But
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
So your molds, when you put the gummies, they won't get stuck.
And they'll
Then
be
you're
easier
gonna
to
get
cut.
your towel and you're gonna pat out.
So many little dinosaurs.
And we already did this one, as you can see.
Get towel.
Just go like this one.
So we're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. So this is how it looks when it's hydrated.
And this is how it looks when you put it in the microwave.
So it should look kind of like water. We put our gelatin in the microwave for 50 seconds and they're perfect.
So now to fill them up, as you can see, I have one done.
And I
You're
have
just gonna put it in the middle and you're gonna fill, move it around.
Let's go. Okay. That's beautiful.
I'm gonna do a mix up.
Okay. So your jello is gonna start cooling. That means you have to keep heating it up until you're done with it. And have fun. Get some red. After gummies in the fridge for 30 minutes and they're ready. So now we're just gonna peel them carefully. Okay.
In you go.
Ooh, carefully.
That's so greasy.
So greasy. I mean sticky.
Yes.
You're so cute. So,
What did the gummy say to the gummy?
Don't chew me.
I don't know. What?
Ooh, gummy friend. He got stuck to my hand.
He loves you, Ian. He loves you. And this is how the one that I made with different colors looks. It's blue and purple.
Ooh, they look amazing, Aileen.
Which one was the one that I did with different colors?
Oh my.
So our gummies are ready. So now we're gonna coat them in some sugar and then enjoy them.
And do a rose.
I'm gonna do a flatter.
Don't put so much sugar on them, Ian.
Okay.
So we're gonna coat them with our sugar, and then we're gonna let them open in air so they can just rest overnight, or you can just eat them now. Why is your dinosaur stuck to the plate?
I don't know.
Oh, and make sure you leave them overnight, and make sure you cover them because you don't want them that hard, because then they're gonna be hard.
Oh my god.
Mine's strawberry.
It's so soft.
It's so good.
It's
so
so
stretchy.
So stretchy. So
Bye. Make sure you subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and ring the bell.
Ding.
I hope you put a smile on your